A spoonful of goodness unveiling the wonders of daily yogurt consumption. Yogurt, a creamy and tangy delight, is not just a tasty treat but a powerhouse of nutrients. This fermented dairy product has been enjoyed for centuries and for good reason. From boosting gut health to strengthening bones, the benefits of incorporating yogurt into your daily diet are plentiful. Join us as we delve into the remarkable ways yogurt can transform your well-being, one spoonful at a time. Throughout history, cultures around the world have recognized yogurt's contribution to longevity and health. Its rich history is a testament to its enduring power. Whether you prefer it plain or adorned with toppings, yogurt offers a delicious and versatile way to nourish your body from the inside out. Get ready to discover the wonders that await when you make yogurt a daily ritual. Digestion Dynamo Yogurt's probiotic powerhouse for gut health. One of yogurt's most celebrated benefits lies in its ability to promote a healthy gut. Yogurt is teeming with probiotics, which are live bacteria and yeasts that are beneficial for your digestive system. These friendly microorganisms help maintain a balanced gut microbiome, which is essential for optimal digestion and overall well-being. Probiotics aid in the breakdown of food, reducing symptoms such as bloating, gas, and constipation. They also help to inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria, promoting a healthy balance in your gut. Regular consumption of yogurt can contribute to a happier and healthier digestive system, allowing your body to efficiently absorb nutrients and function at its best. Immunity Booster. Strengthening your body's defenses with yogurt. Beyond its digestive benefits, yogurt plays a vital role in strengthening your immune system. The probiotics in yogurt help to stimulate the production of antibodies, which are your body's defense mechanisms against infections. They also enhance the activity of immune cells, preparing your body to fight off harmful invaders. Yogurt is also a good source of vitamins and minerals that support immune function, including vitamin D and zinc. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in regulating immune responses, while zinc is essential for the development and function of immune cells. By incorporating yogurt into your diet, you provide your body with the necessary tools to maintain a robust immune system. Heart health hero, yogurt's role in cholesterol management. Maintaining a healthy heart is paramount, and yogurt can be a valuable ally in achieving this goal. Yogurt contains probiotics that have been shown to have a positive impact on cholesterol levels. These probiotics help to reduce the absorption of cholesterol in the gut, lowering levels of LDL cholesterol, also known as bad cholesterol. Yogurt is also a good source of potassium, a mineral that helps to regulate blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease, so consuming potassium-rich foods like yogurt can contribute to heart health. Bone-building benefits. Yogurt's calcium contribution to strong bones. Strong bones are essential for overall health and mobility, and yogurt can play a significant role in maintaining bone density. Yogurt is an excellent source of calcium, a mineral that is crucial for bone health. Calcium helps to build and maintain strong bones, reducing the risk of osteoporosis, a condition that weakens bones, making them more susceptible to fractures. In addition to calcium, yogurt also contains vitamin D, which aids in the absorption of calcium. Vitamin D promotes calcium absorption in the gut, ensuring that your body can effectively utilize this essential mineral for bone health. By incorporating yogurt into your diet, you provide your body with the building blocks it needs for strong and healthy bones. Weight management. Wonder yogurt's potential role in a healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy weight is a common goal for many, and yogurt can be a helpful tool in your weight management journey. Yogurt is a protein-rich food, and protein helps to promote feelings of fullness and satisfaction. This can be beneficial for weight management as it may help to reduce overall calorie intake. Yogurt also contains probiotics, which have been linked to a healthy weight. Research suggests that the gut microbiome plays a role in weight regulation, and probiotics may help to promote a balance of bacteria that is beneficial for weight management. Potential drawbacks. Navigating lactose intolerance and added sugars. While yogurt offers a plethora of health benefits, it's essential to be mindful of potential drawbacks. Some individuals are lactose intolerant, meaning their bodies have trouble digesting lactose, the sugar found in milk. Lactose intolerance can lead to digestive discomfort, such as bloating, gas, and diarrhea. Additionally, many yogurt brands on the market contain added sugars, which can contribute to health issues like weight gain and tooth decay. It's crucial to choose yogurt varieties that are low in added sugars or opt for plain yogurt and sweeten it naturally with fruits, honey, or maple syrup. Embrace the yogurt habit, a daily dose of deliciousness for a healthier you. Incorporating yogurt into your daily routine is a simple yet powerful step towards a healthier you. From its gut-boosting probiotics to its immune-strengthening properties, yogurt offers a wealth of benefits that can enhance your overall well-being. Whether you savor it as a breakfast parfait, a snack, or a dessert, yogurt is a versatile and delicious addition to any diet. So, embrace the yogurt habit and experience the transformative effects of this nutritional powerhouse. Your gut, your immune system, your heart, and your bones will thank you for it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips.